很 sensitive 诶。For many, race remains a hurdle to renting a home. Took over a year before Anton and Shalini found a place to rent. It's affecting because of race. And they say they are willing to fork out 4,000, also they are struggling to secure one. Very sad. I know we shouldn't, but even the investors circle is not preferred, unfortunately. There's a stigma. So if you think yourself as a owner, then you would want to eliminate problems from the initial. Therefore, there will be judgment. And there are also cases where they say that they are professionals, like lawyer, doctor, surgeon, whatever, right? Also got problem one. When all problems come from that race, then is it a race thing?
Because the culture thing, the mentality that revolves around your upbringing.
I know this shouldn't happen, but when the society behaves a certain way, right? Do you want to correct it? I'm just thinking like if you force owners to really rent out based on metrics, right? And this metric must be derived from their social behaviors. Is it okay for you then to pay me extra deposit so I will rent out to you? You can take it back eventually, but just like a just in case kind of thing due to my past bad experiences. Do you still take that as discrimination? Like if I have my whole body all tattoo or whatsoever, then look at me here, I don't rent out to you. What if I give you extra 1 month deposit just to secure the unit? Because you worry I cannot pay, ma. I don't know what's the right way though, because like it's a society perception towards a behavior of your upbringing.